Mekgatlo ya go fapana ya dipolitiki le ya badudi e ntshitse maikutlo a go fapafapana malebana le dikgato tša Mopresidente Cyril Ramaphosa tša go fedisa go gogwa ga mmuso ka nko. Mopresidente Ramaphosa o tsebisitse diphetogo tšeo di dirilwego ke khomisene ya Zondo kudu ka go sireletsa bahlabamokgosi ba bomenetsa le go fetola melao ya naga ka go hloma makala a maswa go šetšana le bomenetsa ka nageng.
Those of our cadres who have been mentioned or implicated, by this Commission on State Capture should immediately report to our Integrity Commission. That work internally in the ANC is taking place.
The timing of this presser, that it is more of a response to try and extinguish some of the political pressure that he's been getting with.
We have a captured media who are in full swing analyzing this foolish address, and they're going to continue doing so for the next few days in an attempt to divert attention from those slandering remarks about Ramaphosa that were made by his predecessors.
It's only going to target weak and non-significant people. It will not touch the high-ranking leaders of the ANC.
We need to make sure that government acts with a greater sense of urgency, because this is really a moment. The President accepts it. It's a damning report. He accepts in broad terms the findings of the Commission.